Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I installed this Rio Egyptian Ocean lace wig. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, keep on watching. So however you want to put your hair under this little net, that's how you do it. I like to put mine in braids, and as you can see, braids. And I just tuck it up and then put this little thing on, this little net on, like so. I do like that, and then pull it back a little. So I look like this. The wig I'm going to use is a Rio wig, and this is a 20-inch Egyptian Ocean curl pattern, so it's a loose deep wave. And this is 180 density full lace wig with baby hairs. I don't know if you guys could see that. With the baby hairs, it just makes it easier to lay. So let's get started. Okay, for all you beginners, first step, see that little tag? Don't rip it off. It comes right off. So, basura. Next you want to do is pull these baby hair back and make sure it's out of your way because you don't want to cut them. You just want to work your way around the edges to like cut. Take your scissors, cut all around the edges, and then you customize it as you have it on your head. You don't want to cut too much. You're better off leaving extra so you can cut it off afterwards. So just think less is more. I kind of know the measurements on my head, so I just cut. But another way, if you feel like you want to measure before you start cutting, I would say put the wig on and you can see how it lines up and how you want it. So you know, okay, if you have a pen or a pencil, a white pencil, so a white eyeliner pencil is what I usually use. You just want to pull it down, see how it looks around your edges, see, okay, like for me, I know just cut all of this, all behind the ear, same thing, cut all of this, measure behind the ear. And the back is basically snugged on right now, so I'm not too worried about the back right now. So I'm going to just cut along this edge. Make sure you don't cut your baby hairs. And I'm not going to cut down here just yet. Just going to cut. And you don't want to cut perfect because no one's hairline is perfect. You want to cut kind of jagged. No, sorry, not jagged. You want to cut kind of uneven, like a hairline. No one's hairline is perfect, so actually I'm going to start from this side. With this brand, they make it so easy for you. It's less plucking, less bleaching. It basically comes already done, and all you have to do is put it on your head. Maybe do a little style on it because of course it's been in a bag for so long, but other than that, not much you have to do with this brand, which I love. Boom. And this is the lace I just cut off. Garbage. And now you basically just want to test it on top of your head. So let's test it again, match it up. You can cut this bottom piece as well. I just go back to it last. It's not very important for me. Just check. Boom. You always want to flip it up because you know when you actually put the glue on, you want to make sure it works out and lays. I like to make my forehead a little bit smaller, so I put a little bit down. I have a big forehead, so it works. People with smaller foreheads, don't try this at home. Okay, so as you know, I'm in a different outfit because I had to stop my video yesterday halfway. Next, if you want, you don't have to. I like to put a little powder along the edges to make it look a little bit more natural. So, hold on a second. I'm going to take some of this powder that I have that matches my skin tone. Powder. And I am going to just go along the wig, and I am going to just put the powder all along it, like here. Just where you lay it on just so it could look more natural for you. So I'm going to continue to put the powder along the edges of the lace. So I'm done that. I cut the lace, I put the powder on. You can see it's a little bit more, well, when I put it on my head, you'll see it's a little bit more natural. You want to slide those baby hair back and put your wig on. Again, make sure it matches up, line up where you need it to line up. I love the fact that with our wigs, we don't have to worry too much about the baby hairs because we have baby hairs, so line it up. Take the edge and line it up. Take the other edge, line it up, turn it, twist it, whichever you have to do. I am gonna pull the hair back to get out of my way, so I'm putting it in a ponytail. Looks like I have a big old forehead right now, but I don't. I'm going to take my Got To Be spray and spray along the edges. I like to use my finger just to put it on. It's best that you use layers of it. I like to put this layer first and then go back in with my Got To Be glue gel, just because I don't want it to be so white, so I go with that first. And I realize when you put that first, when you put the spray on first, then put the gel, you don't get much white. I have my fan on just so it could start the drying process. I'm going to try not to use a blow dryer today. A blow dryer does make things go faster. I'm just going to use the air drying method today just so people can see. As you can see, it's like getting a little tacky. That's a good sign. You want it to be tacky. If anybody has any questions, let me know as I am doing this wig. Any comments, questions, concerns, just shout me out. Ask me out. I really want to listen to music right now, but can't. Okay. So I put on the gel, put on the spray. I'm going to go back in one more time with the spray. And again, rub with my fingers just to kind of make it dry a little faster. Okay, so now that I have both 3 layers of glue on with the wig and the cap and everything, I'm going to wipe my finger. And all you want to do is just line up the lace with the spray and the gel. I am going to do the middle first and just push it down, as you can see. Hold it down, hold it down. Ooh, nice and tacky. And put that there. Hold it down. I left extra lace around the edges just so I can go back and cut if needed. And then same thing with this side. And it is laid on. Actually, I'm going to pull this down a little bit more. So, that. And then that's really it, how you put it on. This is honestly like the best. Okay. So now that you got the wig laid on how you want it, just kind of pull the hair around the edges back to be out of your way. Make sure everything is laid down. I don't do the baby hairs just yet. I do the baby hairs all the way at the end. Sometimes I don't do the baby hairs, just depending on how I'm feeling. This is the Egyptian Ocean Wave wig. It's like a loose wave. This is nice and tacky. I use Got To Be glued, the spray and the gel to hold it down. I'm going to put a little bit more spray around the edges, well, around the side right here. it's not sticking. And then put a little bit more on this side to make it stick. Okay, now I'm gonna get my scarf. I have a long scarf, and I'm just going to pull the hairs back again and just hold the wig down like so. If you had a blow dryer, you can blow dry it on your head without doing the scarf method. I'm doing the scarf method just because I'm going to leave it on for a little bit, and then I'm going to style the back of my hair. While I'm styling the back of my hair, the front part's laying down. So this is the hair, Egyptian wave. Love the curl pattern. What I'm going to do to style up the hair a little bit, I'm just gonna wet it and put a little bit of mousse on it just so it could keep this nice curl, and put a little bit of oil because I realize this is human hair, so we do want to put a little oil to keep it nice and shiny. Granted, it is already shiny. Don't really have to do much. If I wanted to walk out the house like this, I could. There's no problem with that. But I'm gonna just do a little something something. So I'm going to get my avocado and almond design essential mousse, and just a little bit, not too much, about this much, and I'm going to just rub it, comb it through my hair. Just like so, so you can see the curl pattern a little bit more. You guys see that? Good. And then I am going to add just a little bit of oil. I'm going to use regular old olive oil. Just a little drop, you guys could see. That's it. That wasn't a good idea, but whatever. Put a little bit of olive oil, sorry, on the ends of the hair. Comb it through. And that's really all I'm doing to style this hair. Just a little bit of oil and mousse. I don't think I'm gonna lay these baby hair down today. I'm not feeling that. I'm gonna show you the back part of the hair. This is a 20-inch wig. I'm kind of tall, so it might not look as long on everyone else. I'm 5'9" and 5'10", one of those things. So all the hair to the front, it's about, see, and then here in the back, it's to the middle of the back. Covers the real sign, the real shirt again. But I'm 5'9", it's 20 inches. That's what the hair looks like. That's how fast you put the wig on. And then now I'm gonna go back to this part up here. It should be a little bit drier. I pull it down so it doesn't leave any marks. And basically, I'm not gonna lay any baby hairs, but if you wanna lay baby hairs, you can. For baby hairs, I guess it just depends on the person, how you want it. I don't really like baby hairs because in real life I don't really wear baby hairs. But you can take your fingers if you want to cover up more of the lace and just rub it in a circle like so for all the extra pieces of hair left. So and then side rub if you want. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to do this process. This is just doing instead of baby hair. Just take your fingers and the leftover glue that you have on it. Just, that's it. I don't really have to pluck anything. This is just how the wig came. There are baby hairs on it already pre-plucked, so let's show you some. See, like, you have baby hairs. With these baby hairs, you can cut it more just so it could fit your face and make it look more realistic. Again, I don't want baby hairs, so I'm not doing that part. I'm skipping that part. But this is the wig. Quick install. 1, 2, 3. And styled a little bit with mousse and olive oil. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely click that subscribe button. Subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, write me some comments, and thanks for watching, guys.